Bit of an impromptu video tonight. Been not been on for a few weeks. Workshop is currently still in the process of being built. This is a Wonky. New addition to the fleet a couple of weeks ago. Posted onto Twitter. Some people may have seen it, and onto Facebook. It's a Union from the Netherlands. I've been looking for a Dutch bike, so this was why I bought this. A Union Oxford Deluxe. Standard extremely out 3-speed. However, we have hub brakes, front and rear. So it's the AB hub on the rear. Rack. Horrible seat. Well, it's comfy, but it's not comfy for any long distance. This isn't the original chain case apparently, but everything else is pretty original on it. Seat and this, the only things that have been swapped. Maybe the pedals. So, I say workshop has been paused whilst there's been a shortage of wood apparently. So hopefully that'll be done by the weekend. But I have been out on the bikes quite a bit, and I'll stick some photographs up. We're riding the Pannonia, which has had the rear wheel changed after. Well, that shows you how the kickstand's a bit too short. There's the one that was on it, but it puts it at a hell of an angle. The Pannonia has been the main bike of the last 2 weeks. I'll get some photos up where we put them in now, of even used to carry various bits of cargo up to from work and the shops. But this Union has had a little bit of fettling. Sort the tyres out. Gave it a bit of an oil. Swapped this shifter for the one. This is the one from the Wayfarer when he had 3-speed. And that's it. Still only got 2 gears on this. This setup here is slightly different to what I'm used to, so I need to get this set up right. So I'm not getting the first gear or easiest gear or whatever you call it, which isn't really a problem if I'm just coming out on a 2-ton, but it'd be a bit annoying if I wanted to go a bit further. But having 5 bikes in the fleet is not really the end of the world. Drums are a bit of a new thing at this park since one of the lockdowns, so you get lots of people playing on them. Quite fun, but not ideal for videoing, but you know. There we go, for that slant. So yeah, this is just a quick update. See, we're back at the park. We've got cannons here. And take it for a little ride now. I haven't got the harness, so I'll try and do a quick handheld ride. It rides very, very comfortably with one hand, so it'll probably be alright once I get to the top of the hill. I'm not very good at this one-handed malarkey. Beautiful day today, which is why I came out. So yeah, it does ride exceedingly well one-handed. Say I'm rubbish riding one-handed, and so stable even at very slow speeds. It's just a proper bike. Back at the park I've been at a few times before. That wasn't really a one-handed section, so I had to go two-handed there. But as you can see, it just cruises along like it's meant to be. So yeah, hopefully subscribe and we'll get some more updates soon. Hopefully the workshop will be finished well, the building will be finished on Friday is the current estimate, and then we can get some videos of the fit out, and also more importantly getting the Wayfarer project back up and running, which is the main project of restoration, and also the rest of the bikes and whatever else comes along. So subscribe, like the video, all the usual YouTube things if at all possible, and I'll catch you next time.